Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix couldn't send message in Messenger group chat. Alright, so first of all you go to Play Store or App Store. So once you're in there, you need to search for Messenger app. So first things first, you need to make sure that there will be no updates available on the app. If there's an update, then you need to update the platform. Second is you go to settings and you go to application or apps manager. There you go to manage apps and you search on Messenger. Once you're in there, all you need to do is just to clear the data or clear the cache on the Messenger. But clearing data is not necessarily at all. Just make sure that the cache is cleared and restart Messenger. In any case, Messenger is still having those problems. I suggest you uninstall Messenger and reinstall the application once again. Alright, so that is the steps on how to fix couldn't send message in Messenger group chat. I hope you guys like it.